National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan, western Genesee County in southeastern Michigan, northern Livingston County in southeastern Michigan until 2:15 p.m. At 1:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Morais, or near Perry, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bancroft around 1:30 p.m. Corona around 1:35 p.m. Durand and Gaines around 1:40 p.m. Lennon around 1:45 p.m. Flushing and Swartz Creek around 1:55 p.m. Flint, Mount Morris, and Beecher around 2:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Juddville, Rankin, Bennington, Argentine, Conway Township, Schatzburg, Carlin, Vernon, and Deerfield Township. People attending downtown Swartz Creek should seek safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Genesee, Livingston, and Shiawassee. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Severe thunder. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, Livingston County in southeastern Michigan, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pinckney, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hamburg around 1:50 p.m. Brighton and Whitmore Lake around 1:55 p.m. Heartland around 2 p.m. South Lyon around 2:05 p.m. Milford around 2:10 p.m. Novi around 2:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Divisburg, Island Lake State Recreation Area, Commerce, New Hudson, Rose Center, Walled Lake, Lakeland, White Lake, Chilson, and Wolverine Lake. People attending Pinckney Art in the Park and Lyon Township Kite Festival should seek safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Livingston, and Oakland. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Monroe County in southeastern Michigan, western Wayne County in southeastern Michigan, northeastern Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan, Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:49 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located near Britain, or near the Combee, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These severe thunderstorms will be near Dundee around 2 p.m. Milan around 2:05 p.m. Willis around 2:20 p.m. Belleville around 2:25 p.m. Flat Rock around 2:40 p.m. Taylor and Romulus around 2:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Whittier, Hudson Mills Metro Park, New Boston, Ridgeway, Delhi Mills, Palmyra, Pleasant Lake, Augalia, Westland, and Schofield. People attending downtown Combee and Tate Park should seek safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee, Monroe, Washtenaw, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has...
Turn it down.
The National Weather Service Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for Detroit River, Michigan waters of Lake Erie from Detroit River to North Cape, Michigan. Detroit River, Michigan waters of Lake Erie until 3:30 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles west of Wyandotte to 27 nautical miles west of Luna Pier, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Elizabeth Park Marina, Gross Elam, Gibraltar around 2:20 p.m. Wyandotte around 2:25 p.m. North Cape and Luna Pier around 3:05 p.m. Bowles Harbor of Refuge around 3:15 p.m. Monroe Harbor, Detroit Beach and Woodland Beach around 3:20 p.m. Detroit River Light, Lake Erie Metro Park Harbor, Stony Point and Estrel Beach around 3:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by strong thunderstorms include Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Gibraltar, Estrel Beach and Detroit Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
4:30 p.m. High noon.
A severe thunderstorm warning.
This tanker. Mommies and daddies need someone to watch their wee ones. But we don't have any babysitters. Sure.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oakland County in southeastern Michigan until 3 p.m. At 2:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Bloomfield, or near Novi, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Southfield, Pontiac, and Birmingham around 2:30 p.m. Royal Oak around 2:35 p.m. Troy around 2:40 p.m. Rochester around 2:50 p.m. Sterling Heights around 2:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Franklin, Keagle Harbor, Waterford, Orchard Lake, Holly State Recreation Area, Commerce, Lathrop Village, Auburn Hills, Bingham Farms, and Lake Angeles. People attending Art on the Glen and Birmingham Village Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following county: Oakland, Michigan. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac.